Wagwan guys, what's good?
Welcome back to the vlog.
So today I'm with Babafemi. Babafemi is shy to talk, but I'll leave him to talk right now. Let's do it.
Hi guys, how you guys doing today? We at Pause Cafe in a color grading class, right? Mr.
Yeah,
Black?
we came outside today. He actually dragged me out like, Bosh, we need to do this today. I want to learn the basics of this color grade. So sweet. I want to start from somewhere. I was like, oh, why not?
Really
So,
our first class. Yeah, just learn the basics of color grading. Looking forward to more classes.
is it going well? How's it going so
Yeah,
far?
yeah, it's actually going well.
My BBF carry book come book.
I have my, I have my book with
See
me,
book, oh.
jotting all the details.
Oh, this guy is serious.
Yes, now you have to put the work in.
Very soon, you guys are going to be seeing Babafemi's content. Crazy colors. You know the reason how they play. We're going to be by you. Now 2026, so we are trying to buckle up. We're trying to sharpen our skill. We're trying to like put something dope shit out there. So I think it's about 5:51. Oh, Jesus, we've been here since like 3 o'clock. We do our shit. It's going well. It's going well. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for joining.
Thank you guys.
We want to do more this year, so you guys keep following up the vlog. Don't miss any episode. Shout out to Babafemi and shout out to Black Vogue. Shout out to you watching the vlog too. Yeah, so see you in our next episode. Oh, is it ours? See you in my next episode. Might not be with me in the next episode, so see you in next episode.